Okay, so this is in Maths Puzzle Maker. The first page, you choose how many problems you want to input into the computer. So you can have different amounts. The number you choose dictates the shape of the jigsaw. So I'll start with 8. Okay, then so this page, you're given the choice of output. Do you want a jigsaw, treasure hunt, or worksheet? I'll show you how all three work. You can also have normal text. So each row represents the question. Question one, normal text, math text, answer 1, normal text, answer 1, math text, and so on. And then you got to question 2, 3. We chose 8 questions, so there's 8 rows. You can choose just to put math text in if you want. If you don't know what math text is, this is a little summary of it over here. You can enter fractions in like this, and powers and subscripts and things like that. There's a reference with lots. You can pretty much put in any type of text you want. This is also a way of controlling the size of the puzzle. If there's too much text overlapping, you might want to reduce the size of it or increase the length of the individual puzzle pieces. So I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to enter in some problems and I'll come back. Okay, I've entered in a bunch of problems there using math text, so you can just see how it renders nicely on the screen. First thing I'll choose is a jigsaw. Just click on submit, and then it takes you through to the jigsaw. So the top image is the solution. There's all the nice math text rendered there with the fractions and plus, minus, and subscripts. So there's the solution. So that's the puzzle put together, and this is the this is the puzzle. This is what you give the students. This is it all randomized and jumbled up. So they would cut this out, and then they would have to join it all together, and this is what they'd be aiming for. So that's one thing you can choose. The other thing is a treasure hunt. So you just key in the questions again, and then it will print out a treasure hunt, which you just cut up the individual cards, stick them up around the room or around the school, and this last piece here is the answer sheet for each individual playing the treasure hunt. They can start at any point and just work through it. The last one's not particularly good, but it's useful if you just wanted to summarize one of the first two as like a homework task. It will put it into a little worksheet. The rendering's not great, but you can see at least it has some record of what you've done there. You could give them the questions as review for homework and share them with the answers as well underneath. So it's just a way of maybe reviewing what you did in class as a treasure hunt or as a jigsaw, as some kind of homework task. You can put it there for simplicity. If you want a different shape puzzle, you go back to the questions. You could maybe look at, say, 4, and you could try 4 shape puzzle. I'll just do one very quickly. Already got some stuff saved here, whatever. And then if you click on that, you'll get a 4. You will get a square shape puzzle like that. So it just depends on how many you choose, the shape of the puzzle that you get. So hopefully this is some use, and you can teach some